This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Chock the front wheel diagonally opposite to the one to be removed. Using the tool provided in the toolkit, prise the centre cap from the wheel. Using the special anti-theft wheel bolt adapter where necessary, slacken each of the wheel bolts half a turn. Position the jack head under the rubber block on the underside of the front door sill and raise the vehicle until the rear wheel is clear of the ground. Position an axle stand under the rubber block at the rear of the door sill to support the vehicle, then lower the jack. Fully unscrew the bolts and remove the wheel. Pull the brake hose and wiring harness from the shock absorber bracket. Unscrew and remove the lower shock absorber mounting bolt. Undo and remove the two upper mounting bolts. Withdraw the shock absorber from under the vehicle. Maneuver the shock absorber into place. Insert the upper mounting bolts and tighten them lightly. Pull the lower arm down if necessary, then insert the lower mounting bolt. Don't fully tighten it at this stage. Tighten the upper mounting bolts to the specified torque. Clip the wiring harness and brake hose grommets back into the shock absorber bracket. Locate the wheel over the hub, then insert and lightly tighten the retaining bolts. Raise the vehicle and remove the axle stand. Lower the vehicle to the ground and tighten the wheel bolts to the specified torque. Refit the wheel centre cap. With the weight of the vehicle back on the wheels, tighten the lower shock absorber mounting bolt to the specified torque.